Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can determine if someone is online in Instagram or not. So there is no direct way to determine if they are online or not. But what you can do is once you go to your messenger, if you have previously chatted with them before, then you can simply tap onto their conversations that you have had with them. So for example, if I talk about this particular account, you can see that this message just beneath their name says that they were active 4 hours ago. So if they would have been online at that particular instance of time, it would have shown me online. So now you can determine whether or when they were online at a particular time. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.